Everyone's selling you prompts. Nobody's telling you the laws. I've launched over 400 agents, 4 complete rebuilds of one product. The third build, I sold too many too fast and overwhelmed it. And every failure traced back to breaking one of 7 rules nobody wrote down, so we wrote them down. Law 1. No agent grades its own work, ever. The agent that writes the code is the last one that should test it. A separate agent writes the tests. A third reviews. Self-scored confidence is exactly how AI lies to you. I got lied to for months. Done, tested, works. None of it was true. And it wasn't malice, it was a student grading his own exam. The day I took the red pen away is the day the platform started shipping. Law 2. Ground truth before anything. Never let an agent answer from the shape of things. File names, doc summaries, plausible guesses. Force it to read the real thing, run the real command, quote the real output. The phrase that changed my builds: no guessing, no pattern matching, no assuming. Law 3. Never accept done. Demand receipts. Done is a feeling, a receipt is a fact. A real browser click, a real link, a log you can read, and always ask the closing question: what work is left undone, unproven, or unverified? The silence after that question tells you everything. Law 4. We don't vibe code here. No code until a design exists, written, agreed on paper. There was a 40,000 word plan for my rebuild. The first agent that touched it ignored every word and cost me a month. The plan isn't bureaucracy. The plan is the leash.
Everything Brent builds with these laws is at brentbrisson.ai. The guide is free. Comment claw and it comes to you.
Law 5. One step at a time means one. Cap the agent to one action per turn. Ask for one step and get 7. You've lost control of the build. The metronome is the discipline. Law 6. Flip the interview. Before it builds anything, make the agent grill you one question at a time, until it actually understands the job. The best prompt is the one the AI writes after questioning you. Law 7. Kill the flattery. Tell your AI, never tell me what I want to hear. At every fork, it wanted to cheer for me. What I needed was somebody to talk me off the ledge. So I made it a standing order: brutal truth or nothing. Best rule I ever wrote, for the AI and for the people around me. 7 laws. Every one of them cost me a rebuild to learn. They're free to you. Each law is a 60-second video on this channel. The whole series, one a day, and the machine we run on these laws. That story's in the Journey series, Sunday. Subscribe for the daily laws. For more information, brentbrisson.ai.
Subscribe for the next one, and comment claw, I will send you the free guide.